In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared to-do list in Microsoft To Do. By the end, you'll know how to share a list, invite collaborators, manage access, assign tasks to others or yourself, and quickly find everything assigned to you. Start by opening the Microsoft To Do app or the web version and sign in. Once you're in, choose the specific list you want to share. This could be a project list, a household checklist, or anything you've already set up. Make sure it's the one you actually want others to see, since everyone you invite will be able to view the tasks in that list. Look to the top right of the list and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you'll set up your invitation. Select Create Invitation Link. This generates a unique link you can send to collaborators so they can join the list. Think of it as a doorway into your list that you control. Next, choose how you want to send the invitation. Click Copy Link to paste it into your preferred chat app or an email, or select email to send the invitation directly through Microsoft To Do. Either method works, just pick what fits your workflow. Remember, the people you invite will need to sign in with a Microsoft account to access the list. After sharing, you can always check and adjust who has access. Click the sharing icon again to view current members, add new people, or tweak settings. If the link has done its job and you no longer want others to use it, open the sharing menu, choose Manage Access, and select Stop Sharing. This disables the invitation link so it can't be used anymore, which is helpful when a project wraps up or membership changes. Now let's assign work. Open your shared list, click a specific task, and in the task details, choose Assign To. Select the team member you want responsible for that item. On Windows, there's a handy shortcut. While creating a task, type the @ symbol followed by the person's name to assign it immediately. You can also assign tasks to yourself from the same Assign To menu, which is great for claiming ownership without extra steps. Finally, to stay on top of your workload across every shared list, open the Assign To You Smart List from the left-hand menu. That view pulls together all tasks assigned to you in one place so nothing slips through the cracks. That's it. Share your list, manage access, assign tasks, and track your own work, all within Microsoft To Do.